Today, I did something super exciting. I bought clothes for Castlefest. It's a 2-day medieval and fantasy festival in the Netherlands. There will be knights, elves, wizards, and maybe even dragons. I thought for a long time, what should I wear? A knight's outfit? A wizard's robe? Or maybe a royal cape? In the end, I found a cozy outfit that's just perfect for me. And of course, something warm, because I move so slowly I need to stay comfy. I can't wait to wander around, very slowly of course, and see all the amazing costumes. Maybe I'll even spot someone with a dragon on their shoulder. What do you think? Would you like to go to Castlefest? Or somewhere else? And if you did, what would you wear?